Have you ever walked into a room at night and felt instantly at ease, welcomed, bathed in a yellow glow that invites you to relax and curl up with a good book? On the other hand, some rooms feel cold and uninviting, like a dentist's office. Sorry, dentists. And what is the secret to this dramatic difference? The color of your light bulbs. Hi everyone, I'm BaiXu, a licensed architect who's passionate about design. In this video, I want to explain one very important idea that if you use, I know for certain will make your home so much more welcoming and cozier. So let's talk about it. So I want you to picture a flickering candlelight and the harsh artificial light in a hospital corridor. The light color they emit are very different, and they in turn make us feel very different. Light color temperature describes the appearance of light, whether it feels warm and inviting or cool and energizing. We measure light color temperature in kelvins, just like how we measure the temperature in degrees. Lower kelvins means a warmer light, while higher kelvins indicate a cooler light. So for that cozy feeling at home, you want to buy light bulbs that are labeled warm white, which typically fall in the 2700 Kelvin to 3000 Kelvin range. You'll usually find a Kelvin temperature listed on the light bulb packaging or lamp description. Think about how a fireplace or candlelight makes you feel relaxed and comfortable. This sort of warm yellowish light is the range you want in the home if you want it to be cozy. On the other hand, a cooler light with a higher Kelvin can help you focus and stay alert, which would make it a good choice for spaces like a workshop, the office, or I don't know, the garage. Let's look at kind of two real-life examples here. So in a normal supermarket, they would use a neutral white light, which is around 4000 kelvins, to help you see those delicious ingredients clearly. They're not trying to make the space feel romantic and atmospheric. They're trying to make the colors of the produce pop as much as possible. Now, in a romantic cozy restaurant, it's a completely different story. They will most likely use warm white light bulbs with a color temperature range of 2700 Kelvin to 3000 Kelvin. Because first, it makes the space feel more warm and inviting. Second, warm light is just much more flattering on skin tones and people look more attractive. If, like most people, you want your home to feel more like a romantic restaurant than a sterile supermarket, you know what to do. Get the right colored light bulbs. Changing the light bulbs is not really an option because maybe you don't want to go around and replace every single light bulb in your home because that's expensive, or the light bulb is attached to a light fixture and you can't replace it. But there are solutions. So in my case, I wrapped a colored filter around the light bulb to warm up the color and achieve the warm white effect to match all of the other lights in the room. You can buy this sheet of color filter very easily online. So to summarize, if you want your home to feel warm and cozy, go for warm white light, which ranges between 2700 to 3000 kelvins. I personally use 2700 in all of my lights at home. Second, for a consistent feel, use the same color temperature bulbs throughout your room. Mixing different Kelvin ratings within the same space can be noticeable to your eyes, and if you pick up these tiny details like me, it will annoy the heck out of you. If you found this video interesting, you might want to check out my other video which tells you how to light your home in 8 simple steps. Thank you for watching!